let's now read those image files and then convert it to an image object for Java Swing graphics. So inside the image is a subfolder, a package. Let's define a class image store class. And then we are going to have a public static access. So public static. And then the image for Java Swing uses a buffered image object, so airplane, and then buffered image for car, and buffered images from Java AWT image, so that's not there, so import Java AWT image, buffered image. So that's the package location. And let's do that for the remaining two for animals. So dog and bird there. So let's read from the file and then convert it to buffered image and then assign into here so that you can have access from class name dot those names. So we need to define a method, public static buffered image is a return value and read image method. So file name path is provided, and then we are going to scale it into this width and height. So reading from a file and converting into buffered image is a little bit complex process. So let's write it down here. First, during the file access, the exception may occur. So let's do try catch. Buffered image, original image read from the file. You can do that. Image io.read is the method, and then provide path information using file object. So if you provide airplane.jpg, so that's how to do so. Image.io is from, it is not there. So let's import Java X image io dot image io. So that's the right package. And then the file is from Java io, java.io there. So we read from the file and got the original size image. And then we need to scale it. Scaling is a little bit complex. So first, let's say as temporary image objects, original image, get scaled instance, then width height is provided. The hint is image defines scale smooth. That's the one. So we create an instance for scaling. It's in temporary, and then buffer the image. So now resize the image. That's our ultimate goal. New buffered image, then width, height provided, and buffered image. Constant is type int argb. So that's the constant we need to provide. So we have just a blank template for resizing, and then let's begin resizing. Graphics 2D, resize the image, create graphics. Graphics 2D is Java AWT graphics 2D there. And then now onto G2 object, draw image, that the temp image file 0, 0, null is the parameter there. Then G2 object dispose that now resize the image is done. So by draw image, the resized image receives the scaled image there, and then this is the ultimate thing we are going to have. And if any error occurs, we say system.out println image file load error. Then if we reach down here, not written here, which is an error there. So that's how to read from a file and scale it to this size. The method is provided. Now we need to call the method and initialize those values. Since we are doing everything in static, so we need a static block which is executed at the time of program execution before the main method. So airplane is a read image. The file name is airplane JPG is the file name we have down here, and then size, let's have 80 by 60. And then for car, read image car.jpg, let's have a 70 by 50. And then dog, read image dog.jpg, let's have a 70 by 50. And then finally bird, read image bird.jpg, let's have a 70 by 50 there. So we have those one there. So in the next video, let's use that and check if this works properly.